So one of the big things about, growing all this fun stuff that I've always tried and true to is what grows around here. There, the importance of buying from your local growers around here is that they know, and they've done it many a time and time again. These fruits, for me at least, these fruits and vegetables that I grow do produce here every time. I mean, it's a guaranteed crop that's gonna grow, versus where you go to Lowe's or Home Depot, you're buying potentially fruit trees and citrus trees that are bought for their whole corporation. So you're getting stuff that only will grow up north 9 times out of 10. Chill hours being one of the big factors in your fruit tree production to get the fruit off of them. So, your local growers, most of us should know that only certain fruit trees can produce down here. So I'd hate for a customer to sit there and waste years of their life before they finally figured out that pear tree or that peach tree that they were so hoping to have doesn't produce in the area that we're around. It's a very common mistake that's made within this industry on citrus and fruit tree productions. All right, so I'm here to show y'all about 2 different plum varieties that grow in this area. The requirements on their chill hours are 250 chill hours, and we'll get into that in a second, what that exactly means. So I have what's called a Santa Rosa plum as well as a Methley plum. Now, both these plums require the chill hours. And what a chill hour is the temperature has to fall under 48 degrees but above 35 for an hour to collect 1 chill hour. In the state of Louisiana, the average chill hours for us is almost 300. That's something that we get close to every year. So in order to get your fruit trees to produce and have a good crop, you have to maintain, for mine, at least 250 chill hours. Just want to talk to you about 2 varieties of apple trees that grow really well in Louisiana. What we have is your tried and true, these produce apples, but you need 2, okay? One being an Anna apple and the other being a Dorset. Well, the Anna apple is a nice light red apple. It has more of a savory taste to it than the sweetness, just as well as your Dorset is a savory tasting but a yellow apple. What's cool about both these apples is they produce within our chill hours of this climate. However, you have to have one of each. They do what's called cross-pollination in order for them to produce their fruit. These apples are really great. You'll see flowers come out on one, and then right before one's spent, the other one's flowers come out for a quick choice of cross-pollination and to get your apples for the year. Both these apples require 250 chill hours in order to produce. So as long as our seasons are normal like usual, we'll go ahead and have apples for the year.